Welcome everyone to the November issue of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and so what a difference a year makes. So Railroad Retirement just came out with what the increase is going to be in Railroad Retirement. Tier 1 this coming up for 2024, it's going to be 3.2%. Last year was 8.7%, so just to tell you how big inflation has come down. Still not enough for the Federal Reserve, right? They're trying to get under 2%, but we went from 8.7% increase down to 3.2. Your Tier 1 for 2024 is going to be 1% increase. Remember, it only moves about a third of Tier 1 of inflation, so you have to keep an eye on that as far as planning, right? If it's not going to keep up with inflation. So I just want to keep you abreast of that. This month we have a lot of great stuff going on in our whiteboard. Are you prepared for age reductions in railroad retirement? That's really specifically for those railroaders with less than 30 years who are retiring. You have those reductions coming on your benefits, 30% at 62 if your full retirement age is 67. So you really need to understand those age reductions. Check that video out. And the mailbag is, why is my state taxing my railroad retirement? This is kind of a pet peeve of mine. A lot of people do the tax preparation. They just carry that pension income right down into the state as income, and the states are actually taxing your Tier 2 portion. So go back and review your taxes and make sure that that's not being taxed. Remember, no state can tax railroad retirement, Tier 1 and Tier 2. Economic chart is how stocks and bonds prefer when inflation peaks, how they act, right? So once inflation peaks, normally we'll get some really good positive returns in both stocks and bonds. This year, stocks have done okay. Bonds really, once again, haven't really done that well. So that's something to keep an eye on. And then finally, the checklist, issues to consider when building that emergency fund. Talk about it all the time, having that emergency fund in case something happens. So this checklist will help you go about and build one, put one in place for you and your family, just because you just never know when you might need those funds. So everyone, enjoy your Thanksgiving. Have a great time with friends and family. And until next month, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.